Hello everybody, James second from KSTHL Labels. So this video we talk about how to make a custom woven labels. So first you needed to send it to we needed to you needed to make the design artwork for the labels, and you send the artwork to us, and we will developing the model and make out the samples to check. Like first time you send to us the artwork, we will match the colors for the design like this. Or the color book is with so many colors, maybe with thousands, some more than thousand different colors to use. When do we match the colors, and we can put on the machines and make the samples out? If when we finish the samples, and we will make the high quality videos or pictures to checking, or if you need the original samples, also we can send the samples to you by DHL. And when you receive the samples and confirm the quality and everything is okay, and then we will start the big production. When the big product is finished, we will pack in there and send out the labels. We always send the labels to all over the world. We can send by DHL, TNT, UPS, and FedEx, so EMS, so all the express deliver we can use, and we cooperate with so many years, so we can send the labels to any place, any address on the world. Just the express deliver can arrive to your place. So that is the purpose. Thank you. Bye bye.